We had a little adventure at Petco. Here's how it went.
No.
Oh. You yelling at the fish?
Look, a yellow fish.
Look, a yellow fish. Good job.
Look, a yellow fish.
Look, a yellow fish.
Look, a yellow fish.
Good job. There are some yellow fish in there.
Ready?
Ready?
Fish.
Fish. Hey, where are you going?
Like fish. Look at fish.
Wow.
Look at fish. 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 Hello. Hello. Are there no fishes? You? Can the fish no longer? Burger. Fishes. Look at fishes.
Okay, look, there's more. You ready?
And
Okay.
then
She's ready.
really catch. Look at that.
Look at that.
Look at that.
I don't know if that's real.
Look at that. No. Look at that.
Wow.
Wow.
Silly. How about here? Look, a lizard.
Lazy.
Lizards, look. Wow. Look at this guy. Look at these guys. Look at
Look at good.
look at this guy.
Look at good.
Wow.
Oh, yeah. Wow,
Look at him.
look at him.
Look.
Look at baby.
It's okay, it's okay. Look at the lizard. Look at him. Look at him. Oh, it's a little lizard. It's okay. Don't worry. Look at him. He likes you. He likes you. He's saying hi. It's okay. Look. Look at these guys. Look at these geckos. Can you say gecko? Gecko. Good job.
Go down.
Look, chameleon.
It's a chameleon.
Chameleon, look. Right here. Look. Look at him.
Look at me.
Chameleon.
No, it's
Look
a
at him.
chameleon.
Wow. Look at
It's two.
chameleons.
Look at me.
Yeah. You ready to see hamsters? Hamster. Ready? Here they are. They're called hamsters.
Wow.
Wow. Let me see them. Look. Look at them. Oh, hi, Mr. Hamster. Hamster. Look at this guy. It's a mouse. Oh, look at him. Look at, wow, look at him. Wow. Look, it's a mouse. Wow. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, birdies. Bye-bye, animals. I love you.